Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a classic cartoon character, and that is Calvin from the comic strip Calvin and Hobbes. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Calvin, we're going to begin right here on our paper, and I'm going to start with his nose. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make a little line that's going to curve up and around, kind of like a backward C. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little black oval colored in, and I'm going to make another one right here for his eyes. Starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come right to about here. Then I'm going to continue this down, and I'm going to curve this around into a smile with a little line right there. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curl up here. And right here, we're going to add a little line that curls around for his ear. Next, I'm going to make a little line right here to start his hair. And right here, I'm going to make another little line. Then I want to make a line that goes up and down. Another one here that goes up and down. One here that goes up and down. And then I'm going to add just a few little pointy lines that come down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out. Then I'm going to make a little rectangle shape right here for his sleeve, with another little line right there. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down. It's going to go over. And then I'm just going to bring it up to here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and then over with a little line down for a sleeve. Starting here, I'm going to make two little lines. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up and down for his finger. A little skinny one right there. And another one right here. Now I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and it's going to go out and then back in for his other little finger. Right here, I'm going to make two little lines that go up for his arm. I'm going to make a line that goes up and down, and then up and down like this for his fingers. Next, we're going to make a line that goes down and up for his thumb. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up. And one right here that goes out, down, and then over for his leg. Beginning right here, you want to make a line that's going to curl around. It's going to go up and come down to here for his foot. And another one here that's going to go up. It's going to come down and then back up. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down and up for his neck. Then I just want to add some little stripes going across here for his shirt, and a few on his arm. A couple more over here. Do one more right there. On his shoe, I'm going to make a line that goes all the way to here, with a couple little lines. And this one I'm going to make a line that curls up, with two little lines right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Calvin from Calvin and Hobbes. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.